today. We've been going around GK. We spoke to the RWAs, and I have a few questions for you on behalf of them. We spoke to Greater Kailash 1 RWA. Yes, I don't know if I should mention who they are. You'll see it on the show. But you've been the MLA of GK. You're looking to come back as the MLA. What is it that you've not done that you want to accomplish next?
I think GK1 per se has been at a disadvantage because they had a BJP councillor and she has terrorized the MCD workers in such a way that even if I want to do something, I want to give my MLA funds, she doesn't let it happen. You go to any of the park, you will find, children's swings there, you will find gazebo there, you will find, decorative lights there. We have changed the sewer lines, we have changed the water lines. We have done whatever we could do from my MLA funds.
There are limitations. You're saying you have regret. So then, when the BJP says ensure double engine government, ensure we're in the state, ensure we're in the center, you'll get everything. How do you counter that narrative?
No. It is basically, people have seen what BJP does because Delhi had BJP government. So what BJP is telling the voters today is that whatever Kejriwal did, we are ready to do the same. So if BJP has to do what Kejriwal has been doing, then why do we need BJP? We have Kejriwal. I think it is a moral victory for Kejriwal and Aam Aadmi Party that even the Prime Minister has to say, no, we will do whatever Kejriwal has been doing. So I think when people have the original one, why do we need the duplicate one?
The other thing that I've noticed in Delhi is there is some sense of anti-incumbency, of some frustration, anti-incumbency against Arvind Kejriwal, against the Aam Aadmi Party. How do you plan to combat that, counter that?
Look, I am responsible for my constituency. Okay, I will give Arvind Kejriwal my constituency. And what I am very sure about it, and what I can say is, there is no anti-incumbency. For my constituency, there is pro-incumbency. And the second advantage which I have is, the BJP candidate is a councillor in one of the wards for last 7 years. And I am the MLA for last 11 years. So people have basically, experienced working with both of us. So they have a first-hand experience. So they know how we behave, whether we are arrogant or not, whether we work or not. So they will vote according to our, our personalities.
I can see you reached your spot and the crowds are waiting for you.